Yeah, just Swano Mick here, and just going to do a short video on chainsaw cuts. And this is my little Oleomac for home, and do a few jobs with it. Going down to cut some trees at my brother's place down at Stanthorpe next week sometime. But been using chainsaws for a long time. And also I cut myself reasonably bad in the late, it would have been the late 70s, early 80s. Saw about this size, only that was a little John Sareed, and I was just cutting around the edge of a dam, and tip hit one of the little trees I was cutting down, and kicked back and kicked right into my leg. I don't know if you can see the scar. Probably might not be able to, but probably still some behind it. But anyway, there's the scar there. You probably can't. Just there was a dual sort of a scar there and there. 10 stitches, and that was before the days of chaps, or I think just wore safety boots and may not even have steel caps back then. But now, totally different story. Hard hat, goggles, earplugs. Would have earmuffs back then. Earplugs or earmuffs. I wear earmuffs a lot. Steel caps, chaps, gloves. Yeah, all the gear. But yeah, so that's about the only real damage I've ever done with a chainsaw to myself. I've got a small cut in one of my elbows, but other than that, I've been pretty lucky. It's very safe with them, so you've got to be. And yeah, on that note, Swano Mick out.